Welcome to Vinyl Record Covers AI. Let's see how you can create stunning vinyl covers in just seconds. When you first log in, you'll come to your vinyl covers. Obviously you won't create any just yet, so click create your first cover. Here is where you can create your front and back cover design. So let's create a front cover. Type in a prompt describing your cover you want. Be creative. The AI will generate a unique design based on your description. Switch between front and back designs using the tabs. Pro users can customize both the front and back of the design. When you're satisfied, click Save and Continue to add to your projects. All your designs are stored in your personal project gallery under My Covers. Now you can choose visibility. It's clicked on, so it's visible on the home page by default. If you'd like to hide it, you can just uncheck the box. If you'd like to share the prompt for the cover to share with the marketplace so people can learn and improve, you can click that. And if you'd like it available for sale and you can earn a $5 commission, you can click that box. And you can also show your prompt if you need to remind yourself. If you click onto user gallery page, you can see all the vinyl covers that have been generated, and you can click on any to learn more or to purchase. You can also share to social media, and if the prompts are available, you can click show prompt to view them. If you order a cover, we will then ship you an actual full-size 12-inch vinyl record cover in a cellophane wrapping. Now, if you do list your covers for sale, if you go to My Orders, you'll be able to see if you've subscribed, if you're a pro user, if you're on any plans. You can actually also see if you've sold any covers and your earnings, and then we will pay you net 30 via PayPal. So make sure you enter your PayPal details and click Save. And if you do purchase covers, your order history will be here. One other little feature is if you prefer dark mode, just click the moon. If you like any particular cover, feel free to share it. If you find that there's a cover that's inappropriate, you can report it with the 3 dots at the top. That's VinylRecordCovers.AI.